Hello, friends. Greetings to all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So, welcome to my YouTube channel, CA Meenu Sharma. Today's topic is AIS, that is Annual Information Statement. Yes, guys, AIS, which is available on the Income Tax e-filing portal. You can download that form from the e-filing portal. Okay, friends. So we'll also talk about the difference between 26AS and AIS. Basically, 26AS, it's a annual tax information statement, and AIS is the annual information statement. Means 26AS only includes the TDS, TCS, amount of taxes paid, refund details, any defaults. So it contains tax portion, TDS portion, TCS portion. But as compared to 26AS, AIS is a one more much detailed form which contains other details like the salary detail, bank interest detail, your dividend income, sale purchase of equity shares, mutual funds, bonds, apart from the TDS, TCS values and demand and refund values. Okay, friends. So we'll discuss in detail today. So guys, before we move further, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay friends? So let's proceed. Guys, today we will see the practical AIS form download. How we will download and how it works, what it contains. So guys, here you can see I have already opened a taxpayers login ID. So here you have to go on services tab and then you can see here AIS. We'll click here. Then we have to proceed. Guys, here we have given the AIS instruction. Yes. So AIS, as I told you, it's a comprehensive view of information of a taxpayer. All financial transactions details are covered in the AIS. Okay, friends? Yes, one more feature is added in AIS, that you can modify or you can feedback on the reported values which are already reported in the AIS. Yes, guys, if there is any mismatch in the information, then you can modify that information, that values. Okay, I will show you further. Yes, now the functionalities under AIS tab. So guys, you can view AIS, submit feedback on AIS, upload AIS feedback from the AIS utility. Yes guys, you have to download first the AIS utility, only then you can provide your feedback or you can modify the values. I will tell you from where you have to download this utility. Download AIS PDF or JSON format. Okay, download specific information details, download AIS consolidated feedback, download AIS feedback acknowledgement, and download AIS feedback tracker. Next, TIS. Now what is TIS? Is taxpayer information summary. Guys, this is a summary which includes the taxpayer's information like his name, his PAN number, his mobile number, his Aadhaar number, email ID, etc. I will show you further. View taxpayer information summary and download taxpayer information summary in the PDF and JSON format. Okay friends. So next we'll go here AIS. You can see here AIS. So here first we will see the TIS. TIS, as I told you, general information of a taxpayer. PAN, Aadhaar, name, date of birth, mobile, email address and address. Here TIS information category. Yes guys, here whatever income, as I told you how 26AS is differentiate from the AIS. So that details are included here. That details will reflect here, like the salary detail, your business receipt, your dividend income, your saving bank interest. So whatever you have in the form of income, that all will reflect here in the TIS information category. Okay friends, here you can see the value, derived value. In our case, assessee doesn't have other than business receipt income. Okay friends, so next AIS. Here, TDS TCS information. Yes friends, first will TDS TCS information. Here you can see the business receipts information, code information, source, amount. So you have to click here, then you will get the TDS detail. Now here you can see the feedback column. Here it is optional. So here you have to click and you can provide your feedback. You can modify the value if there is any mismatch. Okay friends, next. SFT information means any specified financial transactions during the year, kind of dividend income if you receive, so that will reflect here. In our case, no records found. Next, payment of taxes. Yes friends, if you have done any kind of self-assessment tax paid or advance tax paid, so that will reflect here. Next, demand and refund. If the assessee has any kind of demand or the refund on the taxes paid, then that will reflect here. As you can see, in our case, assessee has a nature of refund. Assessee has a refund. So the detail of refund is reflected here. Next, other information. Yes guys, apart from the earlier information, if there is any other information like penalty, like fee, interest on taxes, or interest on refund, as you can see here, in our case, interest from the income tax refund, that is reflected here. So guys, this is our AIS. Next we'll go on the download tab. Yes guys, from here you can download AIS in the PDF format or in the JSON format, and this is the feedback. Okay friends, I have already downloaded the AIS statement, so I'm not going to download again. Yes friends, one more thing, here resources, you can see here. From here you can download the utility and then you can provide your feedback. Okay friends, तो आई होप मैंने आपको अच्छे से समझाया है. इन केस यू हैव एनी कंफ्यूजन और एनी डाउट, प्लीज कमेंट इन द कमेंट section. Okay friends, and please tell me if you want many more information on any topic, then I will definitely make a video on that. Till then, thank you so much guys. Take care. Bye bye.